welcome to our channel. This is Prestea Huni-Valley Municipal Education Directorate. My name is Isaiah Bob Kofi, the Data Entry Officer at the Education Directorate in the municipality. This morning, I am here to introduce to you the Ghana National Radio Reading Program, which was initiated by the Ghana Education Service in collaboration with USAID to help our children to learn whilst they are in the house because of the coronavirus pandemic or COVID-19. We have taken the challenge to also convert some of the audio lessons into video lessons, so that it will help our children to learn much better. Without much ado, I want you to watch or view one of the lessons that we have. So stay tuned to our channel and enjoy most of our programs. We have so many lessons for you, so subscribe to our channel so that whenever we upload lessons, you'll be among the first persons to get it. Stay glued to your channel and view the lesson. Bye bye.
My beautiful flowers, parents and guardians, we're going to have an English lessons, and for this morning we're going to look at how we're going to use the sounds to write our words. My name is Abba Kwansa, and with the book which we are going to use is this worksheet for basic 2 and basic 3. This is the book that we are going to use. All right, so please get your books ready. Parents, please help the children to get their books ready for our lessons. Now, before we zoom into our lessons, let's have some few exercises in the classroom. Shall we remind ourselves? You all remember that when we were in KG1, KG2 and class 1, we treated sounds and we used the sounds to form words. So for this morning, we're going to look at our pictures in the book, and then with it we'll be able to write out our words correctly. And I know that you will be able to do it perfectly. All right, let's remind and do a little bit of revision. I'll do the sign and then you tell me the letter. Which sound is this? I'm doing it again. I hope you've gotten it. And that's the S sound. S sound. Now, now, flowers, look at me. Which sound is this? I'm doing it again. Did you get it right? And that is the sh sound. All right, children, look at me. Which sound is this? Are you ready? All right. Which sound is this? Watch again. And that's I. I. Oh, I'm very sure that now, with this few revision, you have now reminded yourself, and it has helped you also to recollect what you learned in KG1 KG2, and then in class 1. All right, now guess my word. Are you ready? Oh, be on your feet, be on your feet, and let's go. Now guess my word. Watch me. I'll give you a very simple word. Which word is that? I'm doing the action again. Are you ready? Okay, watch. Stop whatever you are doing. Don't be playing. Just look at me. So we have this. And which word is that? Have you gotten it? It is it. 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 Now, guess my word. I'm doing the action again. And which word is that? Which word is that? Yes, and that is fish. Eh? So this is what? Fish. We have fish. Eh? And that's fish. All right, let's look at the last. Guess my word. Are you ready? Watch. Which word is that? The action again. Which word is that? I know you've gotten it, and that's goats. Go. Oh. Goats. Do you get it? Goats. Okay. Now, we're going to look into our worksheets. Please take your worksheets. This is it. Take your worksheets. Do you all have it? All right. Take your pencils. Take your pencils. Let me see. All of you should also take your pencils. All right. Parents, please help the children to concentrate. Let's go to page 1 of our worksheets. Are you there? Parents, please help the children. I know they've opened it. All right, my beautiful flowers. Look at the first picture from the top. And the first picture from the top, yes, we have an insect. What type of insect is that? Oh, guess it. Yes, it is an ant. An ant. So we have the beginning letter or the beginning sound to be what? A. So we have small letter A and capital letter A. Whether small or capital, it is what? A. So we have ant there, and the beginning sound is A. Please, do you get it? Let's look at the second picture. Please, can you guess the type of bird that we have there? We have the picture of a bat. Bat. And the beginning sound of bat is B. And we have the small letter B and capital letter B. Let's go to the fifth picture. Parents, please help the children. The fifth picture is which picture? What picture do you see? I know you've gotten it. And that is what? Fish. And the beginning sound for fish is F. And we also have the small letter and the capital letter. Please go to the next page, page 2. Are you there? Now on page 2, Page 2, the fourth picture. Can somebody guess the fourth picture for us? Yes, I know you've recognized it. And it is what? Man. So the first sound is and this is it. This is it. This is the action. The action. The sound. So we have the small letter and then the capital letter, and that's man. Let's look at page 3. On page 3, the first picture that we have at the top, the first picture there is the picture of what? A rat. Rat. So the beginning sound for rat is what? Capital. And then we have the small letter So we have small letter and capital letter and that's what? Rats. Rats. Now let's look at our last picture for this lesson. The last picture, we have a type of vehicle. What does this remind you of? Yes, I know you've gotten it. And it is what? Van. Van. So we have the small letter V and capital letter V. And this is the sign for the sound V. It's as though you are riding and you are sitting behind the steering and you are riding a vehicle. So children, with these pictures that we see from page 1, all right, let's count the number of pictures that we have on that page. We have ants, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 pictures there. The next page also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pictures. And on page 3, we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pictures. Please, do you all see the pictures? Okay. Now, let's go to page 1. Page 1, we have ants at the place as the first picture. So with ants, let's go to page 10. So on page 10, parents, please help the children. My beautiful flowers, are you there? On page 10, it has been written word writing, and we are being encouraged to practice writing words here. So with it, we have pan. But somebody will ask, where did we get pan from? When we go to page 2, we have pan there. The last but one picture that we see is the picture of what? Pan. So the beginning sound is pop. Small letter pop. Capital letter pop. So we have pan. So on page 10, I've written the pan. So pan, pan, pan. Shall we write it on the book?
Start.
Pan. 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 So, my beautiful flowers, you take your book, look at the pictures that we have from page 1, page 2, and page 3. My word pan, which I have written on the board. Ho, a, pa, pan. Pan, pan. So with the beginning sound and the object which is there, or the picture that we see there, is pan. So I have written it 3 times. So I look at it and I pick another picture from it. I go to page 1 and I have the 5th picture to be fish. The beginning sound is f. So my beautiful flowers, parents and guardians, please help the children so that they should look through the pictures and then pick any picture of their choice, and then they will use the picture and then use it, write out the word on page 10. So when they come to page 10, the word, for instance, if they should have rats, rat is on page 3, they'll pick the rats, come to page 10, and then they will write rats and write it 3 times. Page 11 also, they will go back to pages 1 to 3. Page 1, the pictures are there. Page 2, the pictures are there. And then page 3. And then they can pick any picture of their choice. And then come to pages 10 and 11. Write the words, and then they should write it 3 times. So my beautiful flowers, I know that you have gotten the lessons that we have done today. Parents, please help the children so that they do the exercises. We hope to see all of you in our next lesson. Parents, please do not do the exercise for the children, but instead assist them so that they will be able to assess themselves. Thank you and hope to meet again. Bye-bye.